Oh shit.
Almost gave us the what for. These no-see-ums are gnarly right now. I'm getting torn apart.
Trying to get weird?
Trying to get super weird.
Hey, that's a f***ing catfish. How did he get in there?
That's what got in there. Got him right.
Mm-hmm.
No shit.
Episode number 4. Went down to fish with my buddy Sean in Ellington, just south of Tampa Bay. Sean's a full-time guide down there. He also fishes out of Mosquito. Kind of cool, we got connected through Instagram and Beavertail, and so hit him up and we started fishing together, having a little fun, and decided to go shoot an episode with him. So I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, we had a big redfish kick off the bank a minute ago. And these no-see-ums are gnarly right now. I'm getting torn apart. I wonder if they're just sitting deep till it warms up. Like a freaking permit tail. We got permit tailing up head, boys. Oh, these way up there? Is that a little tarpon? We got a little tarpon rolling up head too. No way. We're gonna do the trash can slam. That's
how it started.
the micro snook are here. It's a cool, super dark one. Super Back Creek snook. Sean was on the back with, he was throwing something crazy. I think he had a big live mullet or maybe even a tilapia. He's been throwing tilapia at these big snook, which is crazy. But he's on the back pushing me, and he just saw something push under the mangroves and made a pitch and had an absolute just hammer come out and wail on it. Grabbed his bait, started running. I mean, I thought it felt like a shark. I thought it was a monster snook. Ended up being the old trash panda, the golden trevally, the world famous Jack Crevalle, which I'll never talk crap about. They're getting a little trendy, but he caught an absolute stud of a jack, and it was super dope to watch the captain catch one off his polling platform.
Oh shit.
Sean's on. Dude, that was the right spot.
Oh my god.
Sean's catching my PB snook right now. We'll see that jump. Dude. Just watch out if he has any power. You can't really stop him. That's snook.
It felt like I got up underneath his gill.
Just hope he doesn't gill you. That's those headwakes we kept seeing pushing out.
It might be a jack, dude.
Oh, it is a jack.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a monster Back Creek jack. Holy cow. Dude, look at the size of that thing. Almost gave us the what fur. Is that your best backcountry jack? That's so dope, dude. There we go. They always hit it when you're not looking. That's why I didn't want to give up on topwater. It's just too much fun. That's the perfect hook, right on the side of the mouth. All right, buddy, calm down. We'll get you back soon enough. You want to get that release shot? Got to fish his area, which is completely different from where we fish. And so it was kind of cool to see, like, we'll be way back in this super tannic brown root beer colored water catching snook, you know, which is kind of the West Coast thing, you know, little snook under mangroves. Super cool to see a different fishery. Sean's an absolutely legend of a captain and just a good human being. And so it was super fun to be there with him and kind of see his fishery. What is it, a restaurant?
It's the white trash, Viper Bar.
Hell yeah. That's what I grew up in, man. It's my friggin' home.
Not everybody would think of something. But this is like the most prevalent, one of the most prevalent bait fish.
Yeah. Have you seen him eat it?
Oh yeah, this is what I caught the PB on.
Dude. Yeah, give that a show. Yep. That's all it took. You just couldn't get that 5-inch in his mouth. Oh. All that. It's pretty dope. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a pretty one, dude. Those spots. And on the other side. You got the old micro leopard. All right, what do you want for release? Something else blowing up. I will say whatever is with these like finesse rods, they skip a lot better. Dude, I feel like I can skip this thing super easily. Oh, there we go. Yeah, dude. Might be the same one. Heels, yeah. Dude. You gotta give them an A for effort, man. They're the spunkiest fish, these little redfish. Man, they're like super coppery and like, I don't know, like metallic. Look at that tail, dude. You. All right. I bet that's what we're seeing kick up off the bottom over and over again, just these freaking redfish scooting out. Dude, he just did a freaking backflip out of the water on it. They're loving it. I love peppy little snook. Dude. Of course, it's when we're not paying attention that finally a freaking... It's the,
a 20-incher?
it's the curse of the camera. I mean, compared to all the freaking 6.5 inchers I've been catching, it feels like a freaking 45. That pretty little fish, though.
All right.
Take it, we'll take it.
NLBN.
All right, what do you want me to do?
Just normal release is fine.
Look at that iridescent face. Thanks, buddy. Get out of here.
Guess what's working?
Trolling motor?
Trolling?
Hey, dude. Just wanted you to work your ass off for a little while, and then now's the easy part with the tide going out. You're...
Epic.
Oh. I mean, not the 12-pound bass we were looking for, but finally a friggin' big enough to get. Oh my gosh. You got your tilapia, dude? Let's say pitch that in front of it. I lost it. Oh, there we go. Come on. Yeah, another, this is slot size. I thought he was going to that trolling motor for sure. I was like, oh, please don't, please don't. This is a medium action rod, so it's got a little more beef to it, even though it doesn't look like it. I was just saying, I need to catch some redfish. Okay, buddy. Nice little one. This might be your new redfish spot, dude. Right when we got out, took us back in this little creek. We were fishing outgoing tide. For me, I feel like that's kind of the snook algorithm, at least for where I'm at. That outgoing tide, as you're pushing into a creek, you know, you always want your baits, whether you're throwing a lure or a jig or whatever, you kind of want that lure moving with the current, and that seems to be the snook equation for me. So instantly we found a couple spots, started catching a bunch of like small to medium-sized snook, which is super fun. But then as we kind of started to work our way back out the creek, that's when we started to find a few better fish. You know, we got our little snook out of the way, and then as we're moving out of this creek, I was throwing like a subsurface, I think it was an NLBN, like mini mullet or little mullet, whichever one, and pitched up into a mangrove and had one of the coolest eats. I mean, just a couple twitches and watch this head weight come out and just absolutely demolish this thing. You know, it's fun in that tannic water throwing like a bright white bait because you just see it, and I don't even remember what that redfish was. Maybe, I think it was like 30 inches. I mean, it was a stud that came out, just absolutely hammered that thing, and got to have this kind of fun little battle inside a creek. Oh, you see that? Oh, get it, dude, get it. Oh, redfish, he's on. Dude, that was such a sick eat. Did you see him run at it? Oh my gosh, dude. He had his mouth for like a good few seconds before he was just running at me. I couldn't freaking reel fast enough. Can you chase him down a little bit? I have like 0 line on this reel. I'm gonna be down in the backing pretty soon. Oh my gosh, dude. That was ridiculous. Get away from the trolling motor. Oh, is that motor up? Ah. Oh. It's a big redfish, dude. Jeez, dude. He came out of the bushes like he hasn't eaten in a year. All right, NLBN, I see you. I'll stop running my mouth talking trash, saying you only catch micro snook. It is, man. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a hoss. He's 30 all day. Dude. He hooked himself perfectly, too. Woo-hoo-hoo. Dude. Look at the spots, too. That was the sickest eat. Oh, look at the spots on his tail, dude. One, two, three.
Damn, Sean. There we go, baby.
We got an episode already. Called it, dude. 30 on the dot. Yep.
Strong fish, boy.
There we go. Yeah, so if you guys are ever on the West Coast, around Bradenton, Tampa area, hit up my buddy Captain Sean. His Instagram and business is Ellington Inshore. He'll put you on some snook. You'll have a great time, and he's just an all-around good dude to be around, a fun time on the boat, and he'll put you on some studs.